Okay, a bit rough and ready, but this is one of the camcorders you're using. The other model is very similar. They have a battery unit on the back, and you can also plug in, this one's got a little sliding flap. Okay, so this is where you can put the mains adapter in. The other one's got a little flap that lifts up, but it's basically the same position. You'll see it when you look on the camera. Okay, so these can be both run off the mains and be charging while you need to use them. They both come with full batteries that should last quite a while anyway, so it might be enough for you. Both of the models have one of these designs where I can open out the viewfinder. It lets me view what's going on. You can zoom in, there's a little rocker on the top so you can zoom in wide, and T for telly. You can just have a little play with it, you'll see you zooming in and out. By and large we recommend, if you can, get the camera closer to the people because the sound will get picked up better. The sound is actually very good on these despite their compact size. Okay, and what you need to do to activate this is when you first turn it on, if it doesn't come on, there is a little mains switch here. Let's just get in. Okay, press that, that'll power it up, and then it's ready to go. Just press once to start recording. You'll see a little red dot on this screen here, and it normally counts as well. Okay, so in fact, let's do it. So I pressed it once, it's recording, there's a red dot and it's counting. Fabulous. Okay, press it again and it puts it into pause mode. If you shut this, it will then power down after a while, or you can also power it off by pressing the on off switch. If you leave the camera for a while and you're not recording and you come back to it and it's gone off, it's just gone into power saving mode. Again, just wake it up, press the on off switch, it'll wake up and you're ready to go. Okay. While we're here, what I've done on this one, and I'll do it with the other one as well, is I've put on the appropriate little base plate, okay, because we have two styles of base plate at the moment, and this base plate you can then slide into this here. So the tripod, okay, is set up for the base plate that we've now got on this camera. Press down this kind of little safety catch, pull this one round, and then you can just slide in this until it clicks. Okay, normally does it fairly easily. Sometimes, you know, it might take a couple of goes, but it's normally fairly good. Just slide in at a slight angle, don't force anything, and you'll be good to go. And once it's in, you'll hear it click and you're fine and sorted. Okay, and then to remove this camcorder, again, what you can do is, it's not the best of views, but again, just push down a little safety bit and pull the click in, and then it lifts off. Okay, so you've got this mechanism. It's like a, you know, it's a mechanism that's just got an extra little catch on it, so it can't accidentally come loose. So any problems, you can always leave the camcorder on, but you should be able to just find that you're pushing and pulling, and it'll release. Okay, and again, do the opposite when you're attaching it. Again, I'll just slide it in from an angle. It's in, it's clicked. I'm letting go of the little catches. It's clicked. It's nice and secure. Okay, so once we've got a camera on here, and there's a couple of adjustable bits on. So if we want to be able to move this kind of round and up and down, there's an adjustable knob here, and I can just turn this slightly, and it'll allow me then, it'll suddenly loosen off, and this whole thing will move at all kinds of different angles. Okay, so once you've got it, so you've got it how you like it, then just tightening it up gently clockwise, you're good to go. It'll be nice and steady.